Hi, and welcome back to the yard. Today we've got something new for the Navimow X450. I have acquired the garage for it, and the directions are right on the box. These are the directions for the garage. It is the box is full of packing and cardboard, and it's really very simple. Just two pieces and two lid pieces and two legs, and let me get you off the tripod and show you why I want to put this in a garage. And I've got another interesting solution we'll look at. So take a look at the X450 here. It's made some tire marks in and out of the charging station. Let me just pull it out of there because we're going to do that anyway. But look, it's kind of made a mess of its area. Just the mud it's tracked in when it rains. So we're going to do something interesting. I've got, as mentioned, I've got the garage, and I got this 3 foot by 4 foot, 1/2 inch thick rubber stall mat, for lack of a better word. And we're gonna put the base on that and then put the garage on top. And then Navimow will have a nice covered parking spot. So let me get the base off the ground and we'll start working on this. Okay, so first things first, the base is secured to the ground with these fiber reinforced, I believe, plastic sort of ground screw anchors. And we're just gonna pull those out. Actually, second thing first, the charger. I'm gonna pop that off, it'll just make everything easier. So there's a button on the back. You just press that, tilt it, pops right out. You can set it to the side. Whatever else you want to do with it. I've been using that feature to clean up the grass and stuff around here. So I'm going to take the base off the ground. I've got appropriate hex driver here just to make this way faster. Okay, phase one completed. Now we can just put the base back down in theory. Oh, by the way, never put these rocks around without any sort of containment. It's just absolutely infuriating. So I'm gonna get the base centered up here, and this hard rubber, these are plastic, so I'm just gonna drill holes through the rubber. I'm gonna step on the base station just to make these anchors go in easy and not snap off. All right, that looks good. Let me put the charger back on. You didn't hear it click, but it made a little click. Okay, let's get the garage. So the garage is in two pieces, and it has its own anchors. It has 4 on each side, and it interacts with the base station via this little square on each side that fits into a matching spot there. So we're gonna have to line it up and then do the drill thing just the same. Okay, we got one side in, and we are engaged with that little cleat down there. There's the second. Okay, and that is the main shelter of the garage assembled onto the base. We've got 8 fasteners there, and then 3 on each side of the base. there's a lot holding this thing to the ground. Let me go get the lid. So this is a separate folding lid that completes the thing. It hangs out here. I tell you to attach it and put these little pins in. So let me see how that goes. Done and firm. Okay, let's see how this works. It clicks down, it latches down. It's just a couple inches shy of the end of the stall mat. It's got these little clips you clip. You can lift it up, pull the mower out, do whatever you want. I like it. Let's put the mower back in there. Not for good because it's dirty and I need to clean it, but let's see if I can just push it back onto the dock. And it probably will warn me that I moved the dock, so I'll just preemptively say, hey, I moved the dock, and see what it says. But there we go, we are on the dock. Clicked into the charger, I think. Nope, not quite. When it does it itself, it can see. There, I think we're on now. Yep, there it goes. It powers up. It's powering up. I had put it into cleaning mode. And look at that. That's pretty nice. Let me get you down off there and we'll do a little walk around. All right, so here's the finished product. You want weather protection? You've got it now. And I think that 3 foot by 4 foot stall mat, that's 1/2 inch thick. I got it on Amazon, 25 bucks. I think that's going to be absolutely perfect. Look at that. It's like it was all made to work together. Now I'm going to pull this guy out, see if I can lift it up. There we go. So that's with the lid open, hood maybe, trunk, I'm not sure what you'd call that. But there you've got access to the control panel, the handle to pull it out, other stuff. But yeah, she fits on there absolutely perfect. I love it. So there you go. That is the Navimow Garage X installed. I think that stall mat idea was a good one. Pardon my sweat. It is 90 degrees, very humid. I've been fighting sprinkles this whole time. So thanks for watching. I hope this is useful.